Hi guys! Today we are going to see how we can use Claude AI to increase your website traffic. If you're stuck with around 100 visitors on your website, posting more content won't get you to 10,000 visitors. The reason you're stuck is already in Google Analytics. It's just buried under a ton of data. You open GA4, you stare at the numbers where visitors come from, what they do, who's buying, and you still have no idea what to do next. Then you check Search Console. People are seeing your website on Google. They are just not clicking and nobody's telling you why. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. You don't know what the real problem is or what to fix first. This gap is exactly what Claude AI fills. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to connect your website data directly to Claude and analyze it completely and find the exact problem and how to fix it and get you a full report like this. You even get a complete 30-day plan to grow your traffic. No expert needed, no paid SEO tools. So let's get started. Before Claude can tell you what to fix, it first needs to look at your website data. So you need to get your data into Claude. And the simplest way to do that is to download it and upload it to Claude. So let me quickly show you how that works. Let's go to Google Analytics and click the share icon. You will see the option to export the report. Click download CSV. Once downloaded, upload that CSV file directly into Claude and start asking questions. I'm going to ask, summarize my website traffic for the last 30 days. What are the top sources and which ones are growing? Claude will take a moment, go through the file you uploaded and give you a full breakdown, and just like that, you know exactly where your traffic stands, what's growing, what's dropping and what to watch out for. All from one simple question. Now, let's ask Claude another question. Let's ask which traffic sources are actually bringing in customers. And you can see that Claude shows you which sources are actually making you money and which ones are just bringing in numbers. It even tells you why and what to do next. And just like that, Claude has gone through your data and told you exactly what to fix. So this really works. But doing it this way, there's one big problem. Your website data keeps changing every day, but the file you uploaded stays the same. So Claude only sees your old data and gives you answers based on that. And to get answers for your latest data, you will have to download it, upload it, and ask Claude all over again. And doing this every single time makes it a very repetitive and time-consuming process. So, what if Claude could just pull your latest data on its own every single time without you downloading anything? Let me show you how. So, here's the best way to do this: connecting your data to Claude using 2-minute reports. 2-minute reports is a tool that connects all your marketing data like Google Analytics and Search Console directly to Claude. So instead of downloading files every time, Claude pulls the data by itself whenever you ask. To do this, we are going to follow 3 simple steps. The first step is to create an account in 2-minute reports. So to create an account, just go to 2minutereports.com, click Try for free, sign in with your Google account. You will get into this dashboard. Once you have created the account, we can now go to step 2, which is to connect your data to 2-minute reports.
So to connect it, just click Add a connection and then click Create connection. Here you will see 30 plus data sources across categories like PPC, e-commerce, social media and more. Pick the one you want to create reports for. I'm going to start with GA4. Select GA4, sign in with your Google account, confirm your account and you're done. Then do the same for Search Console.
So once we have connected the data, let's go to the final step, which is to connect 2-minute reports to Claude. Let's go to Claude.
Once you're inside, click on your profile icon on the bottom left corner. Then go to Settings and navigate to the Connectors section. Click Customize and click the plus icon. Choose Add Custom Connector. So here, give it a name like 2-minute reports in the name field. Then, in the remote MCP server URL field, paste this link mcp.2minutesreport.com/mcp. This is what lets Claude talk to your data through 2-minute reports every time without any manual intervention. I have added the same link in the description, so you can just copy it from there. Once it's pasted, click Add and then click Connect. And finally, sign in with the Google account linked to 2-minute reports.
There we go. 2-minute reports is now successfully connected to Claude. From this point, all you have to do is ask questions in plain English and Claude will pull your website data and give you the answers instantly.
Now, let's ask something like, are there any pages with high traffic but low conversions, and what might be causing that?
And Claude will show you the pages that are getting visitors but not turning them into customers. It will also tell you what needs to be fixed and give you everything in a simple, easy to read report. No spreadsheets, no complicated tools, and no expert needed. That is the manual way. You type a question, Claude gives you the answer, and it works really well. But what if Claude could do all of this on its own without you typing a single question? That is possible, and we have already built a skill for exactly this. A skill is one-click shortcut that runs a saved set of instructions. Instead of typing out your question every time, Claude already knows what to do and just get to work. One click and Claude reads your data, finds a problem, and tells you what to fix. Here is how to get it. So, to get the skill, just click on the link in the description and it will take you to this GitHub page. Now click on this folder, then open this file and click the download button to save it to your computer.
Click on your profile icon on the bottom left corner. Then go to Settings and navigate to the Connectors section. Click Customize. Go to Skills, click the plus icon, choose Create Skill, and then select Upload a Skill. Drag and drop the file you just downloaded. You will see the Website Traffic Growth Analyst skill appear under your Personal Skills section. Now go to the chat, type a / and you will see all your available skills listed. Select the Website Traffic Growth Analyst skill and hit Enter. That's it. Claude reads the skill instructions, connects to 2-minute reports, pulls data from your GA4 and Search Console accounts, and generates a full analysis report. Here is everything it covers. You get 9 reports in total. Number 1. Traffic Overview, a complete snapshot of where your visitors are coming from and how your website is performing overall. Number 2. Setya Problem Detector, finds the pages people see on Google but don't click, so you know exactly which titles and descriptions to fix. Number 3. Traffic Drop Diagnosis, spots which pages or keywords have suddenly lost traffic and tells you why it happened. Those 3 alone will show you exactly what is broken and where to start. The remaining 6 go even deeper, covering content gaps, keyword cannibalization, technical health, engagement, on-page SEO, and a full 30-day action plan.
Everything you need to know about your website in one single run. This is what one skill download gets you. A complete data-driven analysis of your entire website pulled straight from your GA4 and Search Console with no manual work. And that is exactly how you go from staring at data to actually knowing what to do with it. If you're at 100 visitors and trying to get to 10,000, everything you need to start is in this video. Connect your GA4 and Search Console to 2-minute reports, link it to Claude, download the skill from the link in the description and run it. You will have a full traffic analysis and a 30-day action plan within minutes. If you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe. We are sharing more tools and skills like this. Check out the link in the description. And if you want to create a professional looking marketing report dashboard like this, watch this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.